Hello, my name is James from Chimu Adventures, and today I want to inform you on all of the inclusions of your Antarctic expedition. Now, Antarctica is filled with incredible landscapes, amazing wildlife, and the purpose of going down there is to get off the ship as much as possible and take advantage of this. So with this, included in your voyage is always your excursions, which includes landings on penguin colonies or Antarctic bases, essentially putting your feet on the ground in Antarctica. The other half of your time off the ship will be spent zodiac cruising. Now this is my favourite, and it includes sitting in a zodiac and cruising around the bays and through the fjords and getting to all of those places that you can't get to on foot. And considering that there's a lot of wildlife down there, there's a lot of penguins and whales that are roaming through the water and seals up on ice floes everywhere, the zodiacs really offer you an opportunity to get up close and personal with these animals. Also, all of your dining is included. There's the entire expedition team on board, which will be giving lectures on their areas of expertise, as well as ability to participate in the citizen science programs on board. A lot of the ships have different facilities, so you'll also be able to take advantage of the gym, perhaps any massage classes, and any other kind of special activities that are available to you. Now, in addition to the excursions, activities, and options already available to you as a part of your voyage to Antarctica, there are additional extras that you can pay for to supercharge your experience and really tick that bucket list. There are options, for example, to kayak, to do day paddle, to do a full comprehensive photography program with expert guides, to camp overnight on the continent of Antarctica. Perhaps you'd like to go snorkeling or trekking or snowshoeing. All of these adventure items that really just accelerate your experience when you're down on the white continent.